Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how Digit calculates your save to save amount. Alright, Digit's core feature is determining how much money you can safely save without risking your ability to cover your everyday expenses. This save to save amount is personalized just for you based on your financial behavior. So let's check out how Digit calculates this. First, analyzing your income and spending. So Digit connects to your linked bank account and monitors your income deposits, regular bills, and spending patterns over time. Tracking upcoming bills. Digit predicts upcoming bills, recurring subscriptions, and any scheduled payments, so it won't withdraw money that could be needed to cover these costs. Reviewing your account balance. Digit constantly checks your current bank balance and recent transactions just to avoid saving money that could cause your balance to dip too low, or that it could trigger overdraft fees. Adjusting for financial changes. Now, if Digit notices changes in your income or your spending habit, like probably a new bill or reduced income and such, it dynamically updates the amount it saves to keep your finances secure. Set a buffer. Now, Digit always leaves a safety buffer in your bank account to cover unexpected expenses or fluctuations. This ensures, of course, that you never accidentally save too much. Now, what exactly does this mean for you? Digit saves money gradually and responsibly, so you won't feel a pinch in your daily budget. You avoid overdrafts and insufficient funds by letting Digit calculate what's safe rather than setting a fixed saving amount manually. The more Digit learns about your habits, the smarter and more accurate its saving recommendations become. By carefully calculating a personalized save to save amount, Digit helps you save consistently without financial stress. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you in the next one.